All right, so welcome again, people, to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much, guys, for joining me again. That's a foolishness a while ago. That's used to. Anyways, before you do anything, people, hashtag Big Boys Time. Do two things, people. Hashtag Big Boys Time in the comment section. And the reason I ask if you like the video before you even watch it, it's only because you are already here, and I don't want you to watch the video and forget to like the video. Yeah? So some of you might say, boy, why you feel like the video? I never start watching the video yet. But maybe you can say, boy, I know some boring though. I reached halfway in that video. And let's switch off the video. So hit the like button from now. So that's by the time you cut, you already do. Get that out of the way. I must have do. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you're here for the first time, thank you very much for joining. Big up to all our subscribers. Big up to all our channel members and the channel patrons and all the viewers of the channel. We've hit, for the past month, we've hit roughly at 1.2 million views. Whew. I tell you, a lot. It's a lot. Anyways, let's get into the meat of the matter. Champions Cup semi-finals between Glenmuir and Kingston College. I already discussed the one between Clarendon College and Idle. So we're going to touch on Glenmuir and Kingston College now. First of all, start of the game, I have to say, two teams them full strength. That's the first intent I realized. Two teams full strength. I have to say that I do think it was a very good game. I don't think I think the Idle CC game maybe had more individual quality on display. I think that game had more individual quality of this on display, maybe because those teams had maybe more individual qualities. But this game was a match of coaches. For those who don't know, Vassar Reynolds and Andrew Pierre, they come from the same coaching schools. Not different style, but similar philosophy. Should I say that? Are similar coaching characteristics then. Similar coaching characteristics, but different style of play. So, for example, Vassar Reynolds is a one who a more deep block transition possession when needs me, and Glenmuir are more of a possession in their build-up play and playing out from the back type of team. Even though it was evident that Casey was adamant that I want to play the ball out from the back. It was evident. Once they received the ball goes straight to Robert Seow immediately. So they definitely were trying to play it from the back, but it was like he wasn't trying to play through Glenmuir. He was more playing with the defense. Then they tried to hit some diagonal. But I have to say, the two teams played some good football. I think Glenmuir played some really, really good football. For me, the standout player in that game from minute one was Tajay Cummins. He was brilliant. He was having a wonderful game. And I've actually seen better games than this. But he was actually having a really, really good game. Something that I saw last night and I never really see from him before was his true pass. I never knew that he had those in his locker. And me tell you, the pass perfect. He pass play perfect. Like the ball just go cheap, split the defense, and it's going to rest at the line. It's just going to stop at the line. Like even the attacker like myself, what? Like myself, should I go? Should I go or not? Even the winger says, like myself, should I go or not? I only realize that the defender can't reach it. Then I see him going in position. But all in all, I thought it was a good game. Dejan Green for Kingston College looked really, really wonderful in the midfield. Brilliant game from Robert Seow. Defensively, it's so good defensively, so good with the ball at his feet. He's very, very intelligent defender. And as a captain, he really, really lead that Kingston College team throughout that 90 minutes. You can hear him speaking to the players. You could hear him barking, making a whole heap of noise. You can hear from him, which means that he was in control of the team throughout 90 minutes. And that's actually a very, very good attribute as a captain. Not only just being a defender who is seeing the game, but as a captain to keep everyone in check. And early goal come through Glenmuir. Wonderful strike. I thought the keeper could have done a lot better. At one point, I wonder, did he go for a shot? Did he go to with the ball at the back post? But the way he hit that ball, it looks as if he really, really drive his laces through that one. Like a knuckleball. So I kind of wonder if that couldn't be a cross based off of a knuckleball it. and it dipped in the ball. I think the goalkeeper could maybe never aware when there, but I think he could have done a little bit better where that is concerned. And that opened up the game. That early goal opened up the game. But the first half was a lot more attacking. I think the first half was a lot more attacking. Both teams punching at each other, maybe because energy was high. Then now equalizer about a couple minutes after. I think about between 5 to 10 minutes after equalizer come. Brilliant finish. As I say, you can't win lottery if you don't buy a ticket. Hit the ball, going to far post, deflected onto the near post. Keeper almost got there, but it was actually quite good. Casey get back into the game, starting to apply some pressure when they can on Glenmuir. Messi was really good, whipping us a lot of dangerous crosses inside the box, taking on the fullback, beating him every now and then. It was a good game. I thought it was more of a calculated approach by both teams. And even the neutral going at watching that game, I was a neutral. I'm not supporting that team though. But I thought it was a very, very entertaining game. I'm going to get the exact scoreline. I mean the exact 1-1 penalties and Glenmuir to win in the penalties. And the reason why I had Glenmuir to win in the penalties was what I saw versus Dintil. When I was looking at Glenmuir players versus Dintil, they had this level of assurance. They have a level of assurance that they're gonna win. And taking the penalty, you could see how composed they were. What I saw versus Idle when was it Idle? I think it was Idle. Yeah, Casey versus Idle. Like the players, they weren't so assured. You could know the players who look assured about. Too much of the players them were so assured. Even daily penalty when him kick it. Yes, and it's him pull up him foot. And I look, because the keeper died the right direction, and I look and I say, boy, good finish. But it was a little bit too close, or the keeper really too easy. So the keeper was actually diving in the right direction. One observation was that Glenmuir was going the same side. For all the penalties, Glenmuir went the same side. And I was wondering, why they not pick up that? Why goalkeeper not picking that up? And if he had picked that up, I think he maybe would have saved one. Maybe just go over there earlier. And I think something similar happened in the semi-finals. I think only Kirky alone he got the next side. Everybody has got to the left side. But nevertheless, I thought it was a really, really entertaining game between both teams. Kingston College really tried. A good reply by Kingston College, and they pushed Glenmuir to the last minute of the game. I thought that defensively two teams were solid, or very, very solid defensively. Jason White was in the midfield for Glenmuir, look really, really solid. But I think Alex Ipsop caused a lot of problems as well down on the right-hand side. Caused a lot of problems for Glenmuir down on the right-hand side. So it was definitely a neutral game. I would have said two teams were very similar in their approach. You know, they played the game in phases. So as we can say, that's the reason I said it's more of a coach's game than anything else, because the two coaches were more involved than the players. You can see them telling each player direct instructions exactly what to do, when, where, and how to approach a game. So it was more of a coach's game in my view. But nevertheless, I think at the end, when it goes on to penalties, it boils down to the more composed players, and those are the players who tend to get it over the line. So, well done, Glenmuir, on advancing to the finals of the 2023 Champions Cup, and good try, really good try by Kingston College. I have to say it was a brilliant performance by both teams, and it's looked good. Brilliant season by Kingston College. They have done well, extremely well, knowing to the fact that a lot of persons, even myself, didn't have them going this far, and they have proved a lot of persons that they have the will, they have the fighting power, and they have the quality also to push on. And I have to say that this is really good, and it shows that what coaching has to do, because Vass Reynolds, since arriving and since taking over the job, he has been brilliant. And I have to say, kudos to Vass Reynolds in the job that he has done so far, and well done to the players in the fight that they have shown, and the perseverance perseverance and resilience to take them this far. Well done, Glenmuir and Andrew Peart. You guys would have showcased a lot of quality, a lot of class so far this season, and you guys still prevail and still continue to showcase what you can do in the finals. So, finals is between Clarendon College and Glenmuir. It's an interesting one. That's going to be interesting. They have 3 meetings this season. One was already decided in the quarterfinals of the Dakar Cup. Clarendon College defeated Glenmuir 2-1. Now the next 2 decisive meetings will going to be the Dakar Cup final and the Champions Cup final. So, big up on yourself, people. Hopefully, you guys are doing good. And I'll see you guys again. Until next time, people. Enjoy the rest of your day and God bless. I'll see you guys again. Big up to the players and big up to the coaches. Big up to everyone who have done so well so far. Big up on yourself, subscribers, viewers, and members, patrons. Everybody, big up on yourself. Have a wonderful day, people. God bless. We're out. Boom.